Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 13T and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So we have to start with opening the keyboard. So for example, in the messages, notes, browser, whatever, just have the keyboard on the screen and all we have to do is to enter the settings. So let's tap on it and then tap on languages. As you can see, this is the list of all currently added languages. We've got only English, so let's tap on Add Keyboard, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available keyboards from which we can choose. Of course, if you want to, you can simply tap on the search icon and enter the name of the language. If not, you can just scroll. After finding the language, simply tap on it. So let me find the Urdu one, just tap. And sometimes you can also pick the region, of course, so just tap on the one you'd like to set. Here we've got another section with the keyboard types. So of course it depends on the language. Sometimes you will have only one keyboard type or even up to 7 different keyboard types from which you can choose. Basically all you have to do is to mark the one you want to use and untick the option you don't want to apply. Of course you can apply both, up to you. Now let's tap on Done. And as you can see, here we've got the Urdu language added. And whenever you want to leave only one language, you can remove the previous language right now. So simply tap on this edit icon and mark, for example, English in my case. Then tap on the trash bin icon and the Urdu will be applied. However, I want to show you how the keyboard looks like whenever we've got two languages added, for example. We've got a difference. So the globe icon, which will right now allow us to change the language. So as you can see right now, I'm typing kind of English, and after tapping on the globe icon, I can easily switch to the Urdu one. After tapping on it again we've got the English, and right now the spacebar is also not empty. We've got the name of the language we're currently using. So this is how to use the keyboard with 2 or more languages added. As I said, we can remove the language, so let me remove Urdu as I don't want to use it anymore. Simply tap on this edit icon, mark the language and tap on the trash bin icon. We've got only English left, and after getting back you can see that we do not have the globe icon, the spacebar is empty, which means that we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.